All are okay, nice stay, although the parking wise a bit narrow, but overall was nice. Basic amenities but just nice for family or group stay. Nice. Nice place, clean, close to Tebrau, very quiet place. Best Sangkat terbike. Family with children, nice apartment. Very quiet place. A rare one with 3 bathrooms and 3 bedroom. Easy check-in and check-out. Very responsive. Overall nice stay. Exceptional. Good place to stay, location, cleanliness. But bit hassle if some family left home. Cannot go anywhere, extra access card required. In outdoors need card. Host no respond, need to use phone number to contact the host. Others message everything no reply. Can be recommended. This is a new, clean, not busy and spacious place with strong Wi-Fi and a washer. Very suitable to big groups and long stay. We did not explore the area as we were on working trip and being cautious WRT the pandemic. However, a petrol station is nearby and food delivery service via Foodpanda and Grab Food know the place. Ensure that Tower B lobby is mentioned as the residence apparently has 3 lobbies. Excellent, hope can provide 1 more parking. Overall satisfied with this staycation. Not bad apartment to stay in. Overall experience was good. The host was able to provide detailed information for checking in and out, but the TV in the living room and Wi-Fi were not working. A bit confusing, overall okay. But I think the instructions given to check in is very hard. Clean and nice apartment. Pros: clean, big, comfortable. Cons: far from everywhere, traffic jam. Nice, comfortable, cozy and valuable with the charges. Clean and welcoming, recommended. Very good, very clean, good environment.